I had been to a get-together. And in that get-together, each one of us, we were trying to introduce ourselves. And when my turn came, I also introduced myself. I said, my name is Yatiraj Agarwal, and I'm India's first sales and profit engineer. So somebody asked me, what do you mean by sales and profit engineer? What do you do? So I said, I empower business owners, entrepreneurs, startups, professionals, and salesopreneurs to increase their sales and improve their profit. So a couple of people, they said, oh, selling is very tough. I said, yeah, tell me any profession which is not tough. And then somebody said, but I don't like selling. I said, sure. Is there anybody in this room who likes to do what they are not good at? So none of us like to do something, none of us enjoy what we are not good at. But when we achieve success in any field, slowly we start liking it. I want you to go back to your school days. Now, whichever subjects you were good at, you used to love that subject, and whichever subjects you used to love, you used to spend more time and you used to do better. Whereas any subject, even after hard work, if you are not getting good marks, then you don't like that subject. And when you don't like that subject, obviously you don't spend enough time. And when you don't spend enough time, obviously you don't become better at that subject. And when you don't become better at that subject, you get even less mark. And slowly, we may even come to the point where we start hating the subject. Now the same thing applies when it comes to selling. Now in selling, in school at least, most of the students used to pass in most of the subjects. Whereas in selling, most of the people fail. Why? Because they have never studied selling. They don't know how to sell. They have never been trained. They have never been educated. Most of the people, for example, if you take me, I never read a book on selling till I was 33 years old. So I didn't even know that selling can be learned, even though I had been in selling for a long time, but I didn't even know that selling can be learned. But most of the people, they get into selling by chance. They get into selling because they don't have any other option. And when they are not good at selling, obviously they find it difficult. And when they find it difficult, they do less of it. They may go to the market, but they never study the subject of selling. And when they don't study the subject of selling, obviously they don't become good. As I said, my name is Yatiraj, and I have been in sales training. In fact, I should say sales transformation for more than 26 years. I have trained more than 200,000. That's right, 2 lakh people in 11 countries in the last 26 years. And almost every person I have trained has been highly successful. I still remember one guy who had came to me about 20 years back, in 97, around 22 years back. And when he came to me, he had been with a company, a German company, for more than 18 months. And in 18 months, he had not got a single order. And by that time, the German company, they were kind of frustrated and they wanted to close the business in India. That is when he found me, and he came to my company and he was talking to me, and he was not sure whether I'll be able to help him. And I said, again, I can't promise you anything, but if you follow what I'm suggesting, you will succeed. And he came for the training, and it was a 2 weekends, Saturday, Sunday, followed by Saturday, Sunday, so 4 days of training. After he completed the 4 days of training, within 12 days, he comes to my office with a big box of sweets. So I said, wow, Madhu, what is this about? He said, sir, I got my first order. I said, really? And I'm talking about 1997. So I asked him, that's great, congratulations. What is the size of the order? He said 65 lakhs. Now imagine 65 lakhs 22 years back. And I said, how did you get this order? You said you had not got an order for 18 months. How did you manage to get this order? He said, sir, simple. You remember you taught us how to identify the need, how to connect with the customer, how to find out their pain. And I just did that, and I came back with an order. And the entire credit goes to you. Now, I was very happy inside, but honestly, I also believe that any success is 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. So yes, I did do the work, but he did the work much more than I did the work. So if you are ready, if you want to increase your sale, if you want to increase your profit, then get in touch with us and let's see if I can help you. I can't promise you anything right now, but I believe if I can help 2 lakh people, I can help you. So get in touch with us